Hey, what's up guys, it's Mike, and today I just wanted to bring you a really quick tutorial on how to run C++ on macOS Visual Studio Code. Recently my classes have required me to start learning C++, and since I use my Mac as my primary machine, I had to find a way to run it in my operating system. The first thing I need you guys to do is to make sure you have Visual Studio Code. You could just search it on Google and it'll be probably the first result you get it for your operating system. Obviously we're doing it on Mac. But now, when you have it open, you'll see I already created a file, helloworld.c++. I'm on version 1.37.1. By the time you watch this, you'll probably be on a later one, which is definitely okay. This should work no matter what. But now, as you can see on my screen, there's these little Tetris-looking icons over here. It's labeled extensions, so you're going to need to click on that. And over here, you see I have C++ already in my recommended, but if you don't, just type C++, it'll be the first item you see. It's by Microsoft, and you can see all the documentation if you're interested. Instead, I'm going to just install it now. It may tell you to reload Visual Studio. If it does, just go ahead and reload it. Once you're back on this screen, just type run. Probably the first item here. It looks like this icon, orange. And you're going to also install that. That's pretty much how we're going to compile the C++ right in Visual Studio. So now let's exit out of this. Let's go back to our file. So you can see it. I already made this hello world or hello YouTube. And there's this little play button I'm highlighting over here. When you click on this, it should just run and compile the C++ right within Visual Studio, and you don't need any external applications or a Linux VM to run your code. That's basically it, guys. It's really easy and a lot simpler than some of the intense guides online that I've read, and it gets pretty confusing. I hope this was really helpful for you on all your future C++ projects. Thanks for watching. Peace.